In this video, I'll show you how to add a custom domain to Shopify. First, log into your Shopify admin and go to Settings, then Domains. This is the area where you manage your store's web addresses, including your default Shopify link and any custom domains you want to use for branding. If you already bought a domain from another company like GoDaddy, Namecheap, or Hostinger, click Connect Existing Domain. Then type in the domain name you want to connect and continue to the next step. Shopify will then show you the records that need to be updated so the domain points to your store correctly. Most of the time, this means updating your DNS settings with your domain provider. You may need to change the A record for the root domain and the CNAME record for the www version. These settings tell the domain where your website should load from, and in this case, you want them to point to Shopify. After saving those DNS updates, go back to Shopify and wait for the domain connection to finish. Sometimes this happens fast, but in other cases it can take a while before the domain fully connects. During that time, Shopify may show the domain as pending or still verifying. Once the connection is complete, return to Settings, then Domains, and set the new domain as your primary domain if you want customers to see it as your main website address. This gives your store a cleaner and more professional look than using the default myshopify.com URL. After everything is connected, test the domain on both desktop and mobile. Open the home page, a product page, and maybe a collection page to make sure the store is loading properly. If something looks wrong, go back and double-check the DNS values. That's how to add a custom domain to Shopify. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.